Why do you have to do this with words? Why do you really like
Folks, when you look at one like this, can you see it's going to be a quotient? And if you look at the pattern, you know it's v derivative u minus u derivative v all over v squared. That's another way to write the pattern that you just saw. Now the reason I wrote it that way is it's a little simple. So that's equivalent to what you just wrote. Can you see this was the derivative of u?
Oh,
And that was the derivative of v. So if we want to write it without all the letters in there, it's in there when you do that prime.
Oh, yeah.
And then you recognize that this guy is the u, this guy is the v. So if we write it out, v did not change. Are we at the point yet that we can see this as x to the 1/3? And can we already take the derivative and get this as 1/3 x to the negative 2/3? Should I show that with steps? Okay. And then we subtract the u part. So x to the 1/3. Can we look at this and get 3x squared out of it?
Yeah. Wait, where'd you get x?
Can you look at the cube root of x and see that it's the same as x to the 1/3?
Oh, okay. I was reading it all. Okay.
The bottom part is simply going to be the v squared.
Why did you put the V on the top? Oh, never mind.
I knew you'd say, isn't it weird if you can ask the question, you're kind of at the point you can probably answer it yourself. And on the left-hand side, we have to somehow let people know that I took a derivative, so I need an equal sign. That's the calculus part. Would everybody stop and see if we can do the calculus part okay? You're used to the fact now that you don't get multiple choice, you're just going to look like the ones at the back. We don't need to know how to do the algebra part next. Can you look at this and see the highest negative power is x to the negative 2/3?
Yes.
So they're almost always going to factor out x to the negative 2/3, which would leave behind x cubed and 1/3, which they'll never write at the end, they'll always write it at the front. This one's an x, and then a 3x squared. All divided by x cubed plus 1 squared. You're going to be tempted to expand the bottom, but don't. You never end up expanding the bottom that I can ever think of. So make sure you saw that when I brought out a negative 2/3, This is a 1 because 1 take away 2/3 gets you back to the 1. That's why you're factoring out the largest negative one, and it gives it to them. The reason you do this is, can you look at this and see that this is 3x cubed? Can you see I have 1/3 of an x cubed here? And can we get common denominators quickly in our head? 3 times 3 is 9. I think I better write that one out. Yeah, I'm a couple of steps behind. You have 2 steps ahead, so I'm going to back off and let you look at it for a second.
Okay.